In this video, I want to show you how to fix a black screen on your Nintendo Switch 2. This can happen mostly because of two different things. The first one is a software issue, the other one is a hardware issue. And when I'm talking hardware, it could be the console itself, but could also be the charger. So the first thing you need to try once you have a black screen is to simply keep press this power button over here for 8 seconds. Okay, I'm keeping it pressed. Now, I didn't have the black screen, that's why you see it waking up. Okay, and after 8 seconds, release the button. Then press again on this button until you see the Nintendo logo appearing. Fortunately, it will appear, then you can release the button and the Switch will boot up normally. Maybe this was just a small software problem and it will never reappear. If you're still having an issue and doing this small trick didn't do anything, what I suggest, okay, because maybe your Switch doesn't have any battery left and you thought it was charging, but it's actually not. So try charging your Switch using another adapter. Don't use the power adapter that came with it. Don't use the cable that came with it. Since the Switch has two USB Type-C ports over here, you can take the charger off your iPhone, Android phone, or maybe many laptops these days are charging with the USB Type-C. So go ahead, plug it over there and wait a few hours. If you can leave it overnight, this will be the best. Just leave it charging, and after doing this, take it and keep press the power button until you see the Nintendo logo appearing on the display. Then you can release it and the black screen went away. Sometimes you think that plugging the Switch 2 in the dock will charge it, but these docks sometimes have issues and they don't charge your Switch. So that's why I suggest taking another power cable and power adapter. You can also check if your USB Type-C port where you're trying to charge this one or that one is damaged or it has lint. Now, over time, debris get inside. So if you see that there's stuff, simply with the toothpicks, try to remove them, because if not, the charging cable will never go fully in and will not be able to provide power to the batteries. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if this worked. Comment down below if you have any other solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.